Fufu Land, when it rains, even the sun transforms, slowly dissolving into a vast spacesuit suspended in the sky. In Fufu Land, what humans call impossible is simply part of everyday reality. On Earth, however, spacesuits don't fall. There's no sky that dissolves into possibility, at least not visibly, so I decided to make my own. The process begins with water. Maybe nothing magical will happen, or maybe it will. Either way, I'm not just following a recipe, I'm testing a belief that transformation doesn't always arrive from above. Sometimes begins in your own hands when imagination becomes action. If this works, it won't just be baking. It will be proof that meaning can be created, not just found.